So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate realistic handwritten text from typed words. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any other browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, now here you have to search a typical URL, which is 100515. Sorry, it's not 100, it's 5115 dot io slash tools slash text to handwriting converter. Just simply search it and open the first website that appear right in front of you. You can check the right search thing that you want to search now and be very precise with it. Now once it gets open here, you have to write the text that you want to convert. Like if I write this is the sample, and it will gonna convert it to the human written text in for me. Let's just wait for it. I can even change the font family as well that I want to convert. Here you can see it has generated some text that I have already written previously right here in human handwriting. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.